Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can change shipping rates on Shopify. So at first head over to your store, and then at the bottom you're going to see settings. Just click on this one, and then you'll see this option called payment. Click on this one, but you'll see that there is nothing called like that. So we have to actually go to shipping and delivery, and from there you can see it says general shipping rates. Just click on manage, and from there you can add rate, and you can set up your own rate, and you can put it to standard or whatever the price, and then the condition, everything just like that. Or what you can do is just in international, you could just click on add rate, and like this you can just say maybe this is a standard or something else, and then price and conditions just like that. And this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.